Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. Yeah. Hi Akash. Hi Jayesh. Yeah. So there is a question. So let us start with the question, first question. And before that, I would like to give you an update that every Sunday we are connecting for this live session, and we are discussing about the queries or about the IT job opportunities related to software testing that we have. So all these things we will be discussing, right? So let us start with the query one by one. So Akash, Jayesh, and other people, folks, if you have any query, then feel free to ask. And before that, please hit the like button because this kind of live session it is done absolutely free. There is no charge for that. So request you all to at least hit the like button so that it can reach to the maximum people. Right? So yeah, hi Saran. Yeah, Jayesh is asking. So let us take the first question. Let us start with the first question. And before we start with the first question, please let me know if I'm clearly visible, if I'm clearly audible, as it's a full monsoon here, right? It's been heavily raining since the morning, right? So you would be seeing bit of a dark here today. So I have adjusted few of the lights and let me know if it is clearly visible and if it is clearly audible, and then we'll continue, right? Anyone, can someone please confirm? Yeah, if you can confirm, right? Yeah. Okay, great, thank you. Yeah, so great. So let us start with the first question. Who would like to ask the first question? uh, Salary for software tester as a fresher and as an experience. So if you are asking the question with respect to salary in the metropolitan cities, then with respect to the QA, you have different salaries starting from 3 lakhs per annum. And as soon as you get your experience in terms of manual testing, you can multiply it with 2x. So whatever number of years of experience you have, let's say you have 6 years of experience, you can multiply it with 2x or 2.5x, right? But if you have test automation experience like Selenium, Java, Python, BDD, all these things, then you can have somewhere around 3.x to 3.5x. So that's what the experience you can, that's what the salary package you can expect, right? So it is, the salary for the automation testers would be more compared to the manual testers, right? So that thing you have to make sure that going forward, even if you have started your career in manual testing or functional testing, going forward you have to take the automation role, you have to learn the coding, right? Okay, great. What is the next question? So I hope it is clear, right? The salary for software tester as a fresher and experienced. Priya is asking, do we have manual testing jobs for freshers? Yes, the jobs are there, but with respect to manual testing it is less. So as of now the job market has opened, even we can see the job opportunities for freshers as well. So let me show you a couple of job opportunities so that you can apply over there, because I'm not sure, Priya, from where you are joining with us, but let me give you a quick update, right? So this is one of the job opportunity that I would like to share with you. Yeah. So there is a walk-in drive on 26th of August, that is tomorrow. The timings would be from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It is for the freshers, for software testers, graphic designer, digital marketing, business development executive, right? The location is Hyderabad. It is also there in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So you can go for these particular walk-in interviews. It is totally for freshers, right? So this kind of job opportunities you can get with respect to the fresher level, right? Apart from that, let me show you if I can have one more job opportunity. See, if you are looking for a trainee or an internship kind of a role, then you can apply for this opportunity. So um, Rayo Innovations is a company who are looking for QA trainee Apart from that, they are also looking for iOS trainee, Android trainee, JavaScript trainee, web designer trainee. And from trainee perspective, if you join and if you are working, then definitely you would be converted to a full-time role, right? So those kind of opportunities is you can see. Okay. Okay, now there is a question: how is the job market for QA with 2.5 years of experience? So if you have 2+ years of experience and you have got a kind of I would say automation testing experience, then it's really good. And if you are having like 3 years, then it will be more good. Three plus years of experience, people are getting more and more calls, and they are able to switch with more salary as well, right? So with 2+ years also, the job opportunities have started. Okay. Nilesh is telling 2 years of experience but no calls, shall go for a fake experience and make it 3 years. So don't take that risk. If you have 2 years of experience, you will get calls. Don't worry. Right now, there is a question: how can we book the mock interview with you? So if you are looking for a mock interview, so let me share the link wherein you can apply. Right. So this is a link for the mock interview. If any of you are looking to give mock interviews, you can apply for the on. You can book the slot on this particular top mate schedule itself. And apart from that, I would like to give you an update of one of the thing. So uh, many of you were asking that you are looking for some kind of SDET interview questions, right? So this is a digital product which I have created by consolidating the various interview questions as well as answers from the big companies like Flipkart, Amazon, Apple, MasterCard, right? So all these companies has that level of interview questions you would get. So if any one of you are looking to make your career in the field of testing with the role of SDET, the profile of SDET, you can definitely get this digital product. And this product is available at 40% of discount today, right? So you can avail this product. So let me share that link as well, right? So this is a digital product which you can avail, right? Ashit is telling your video is off. So I think my video is visible enough. I think many of you confirmed this thing, right, Ashit? So let me also tell you, hold, right? So if you are looking for SDET interview questions and answers, and these are all the recent interview questions and answers, right? The recent interview questions that have been asked for to the subscribers. So you can avail this product itself, right? And it is available at 40% of discount today, right? So you can purchase this digital product. It would assist you in getting an idea of the type of questions that are being asked in these kind of companies, right? It becomes very important. And see, these days, if you are looking to have a kind of a good salary with respect to testing, so many of the companies are hiring for SDET. SDET means people who know the development, people who also know the testing, right? They can do test automation, they can do functional testing, they can do sort of they have knowledge in programming languages as well. So those kind of things you can get, right? Okay. So Ashish is telling, apart from Selenium, which tool or technology we should have to learn nowadays? So go for API automation, go for API testing, right? Rest assured that is very necessary, right? Then code writer is asking, I have 3 years of experience in manual and now I want to switch to automation. I've learned so many things from automation, but not having real-time project experience. What to do? So code writer, don't worry. What you can do is you can connect with us. We are starting a batch on Selenium with Java in which we will cover the real-time project as well, right? So if you are looking for a real-time project, and you are wishing to make your you wish to make your career in the field of automation testing, then join the batch that we are starting tomorrow from Monday to Thursday. It would be 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m., right? And if any one of you are looking for the course details, so let me share those course outline also with you, right? It would cover both core Java as well as Selenium, right? Shubham is telling, do we have to go for Agile certification? So it's not required. Agile certification you can leave for now, right? Java Selenium is good or Python Selenium. So definitely Java Selenium is a good thing, right? You should go for Java Selenium because still in India, if you are applying in India, you can get a lot of opportunities with Java Selenium itself, right? And see, folks, if I'm answering your questions, please hit on the like button. The target for having likes for this particular live session is 200. As of now, I can see just 7 likes on this live session. So please hit the like button, right? Uh, yeah. SD is telling I am rejected in BGV in one of the MNC company after 1 month of joining. Is it create any impact on the future? So if you are rejected in BGV, then make sure that your documentations, your experience letter, your relieving letters, all those things are very clear. Otherwise, what would happen is these things would be a problem. Maybe you join a new company, and again in that due to BGV you might get rejected, right? So make sure that you should not get rejected, right? Even if it's a small scale company, even if it's a startup based company, you should not get rejected. Otherwise, what would happen is it would definitely create an issue for you. You won't be able to work in a company more than 2 to 3 months, right? Yeah, Sheetal is telling I'm watching all your videos, it's really helpful. Yeah, thank you so much, Sheetal. And the next question is Pramila is telling, hi sir, I have completed my MSc in 2019 and have 3 years of experience in non-IT field. I have 1.5 year of career gap. I have learned SQL, Java, Selenium, manual testing, but there are no opportunities. So, Pramila, in which particular city, in which particular location you are applying, and what about API testing? Have you learned about API testing or API automation? That is very important, right? Right. Ashit is asking, I am preparing for an interview. I have 2 years of experience in manual and knowledge and projects of Selenium plus TestNG plus Java, and the interview requires knowledge of BDD plus Go. See, Ashit, in these days, everywhere you would be asked the question on BDD. Even if you are going for a functional testing role, you would be asked the question on BDD. So it becomes very important that you are able to give those kind of interviews questions answers in those kind of interview questions, because BDD is a very important skill set. And in the course that I'm starting from today, so I'll be covering BDD. So if any one of you are looking forward to learn BDD, so we'll be going for BDD only, right? Don't worry for that. Pramila is telling automation I have learned. So Pramila, in which location you are trying to get the job opportunity? Because there are multiple locations. Like if you are trying to get a job at Pune location or Hyderabad, there are many job opportunities these days. Meanwhile, in Bangalore, in Kochi as well. So recently we covered the QA success story that was uploaded on the YouTube channel, in which we were able to uh, get these kind of questions, right? And the locations also, you can see Kochi, Bangalore, Pune. People have started getting calls. They have getting started job opportunities as well, right? Okay, Pramila is telling for 2019 passed out. So you are passed out of 2019. So from 2019 to 2024, what did you do? So those kind of things we'll have to see, and we can connect on a call, on a separate call for career guidance on TalkMate. You can book it. We can connect if you are available today or tomorrow. We can connect instantly as well, right? So there is a question from Mehul. What about Delhi NCR job market? So yes, the job market has opened in Delhi NCR as well. There are many job opportunities that are coming. So let me show you one more job opportunity. And before that, let me show you one important thing. Uh, See, this is one of the company which is hiring. So let me show you that details. It is hiring experienced people. They are hiring for iOS developer, React Native team lead, Flutter developer, BDE, QA tester, PHP developer, graphic designer, BDM. For QA tester, they are looking for 2 to 4 years of experience. You can apply at hr@techocraft.com, right? So such kind of openings are coming. Even for 2 to 4 years, it have started, right? So now it really matters on what kind of resume you are preferring, on what kind of knowledge you have, what kind of projects you have included. All those things matter a lot. And with respect to resume as well, so let me show you one more thing. So if you are looking for an ATS friendly resume, right? ATS friendly resume template with the help of which many of my subscribers have got calls. And we covered one QA success story as well, in which one of the subscribers, she got selected with 90 days of notice period, and she got selected in a new company, right? With 70% of hike. So here it is, right? So this is an ATS friendly resume template. It is available at a very nominal cost. You can download it and you can update your content, right, which you are able to justify. Those things you can include. Uh, Animated cartoon is telling I have done manual plus automation role, right? Right. And it's almost 1 year. I can't get a job, right? So if you are not getting a job, so with 1 year of experience, it would be a bit difficult, right? So why don't you try with freshers itself? So from 0 to 2 years, there are some of the companies. I just showed you one of the things, right? Those things you can go for. Can I add fake experience? So adding fake experience is a bit risky. Don't go for fake experience, right? And because see, if you are getting caught with the fake experience, then ultimately it would be a difficulty. Shivu is telling, Shivu, sir, last 2 months onwards, I am trying to switch, but I'm not getting calls. What can I do? Guide me, sir. So, Shivu, how many years of experience you have? Why don't you book one slot on TopMate for career guidance? We can connect, right? So, those things we can do, right? Prayash, nobody talking about AI. What impact is going to be on UKG layoffs as AI improve? So see, Prayash, UKG layoffs is altogether a different thing. In UKG, the people were working hard. They were working till 11 p.m. at the night, but company was looking for some kind of the, uh, I would say, the profit, right, which they didn't get from the projects. They got all those things from the employees, right? So what they did is they did a layoff so that they can get more and more the job opportunities, right? They can make more and more money out of it, right? Survey Pelli is telling, hi sir, recently I got selected in top MNC company for testing role. I had a career gap of 5 years after graduation. During the interview, I had informed the interview panel. Will they consider me? Yeah, definitely. See, if you have already told to them that you had this kind of a gap, you are already being transparent with them, you are making these things crystal clear with them, then definitely it is fine, right? They will tell you. There will not be any issue in the onboarding as well. That is totally fine, right? Shivu is telling 4.8. So Shivu, with 4.8 years of experience, you are not getting calls. So I'm bit of confused because people have started getting calls. People have started getting the opportunities as well, the jobs as well. You can see the QA success story. People have started switching from non-IT to IT. So with 4.2 years, why you are not getting the calls, right? That's very surprising, right? Yeah, Shivu, you can book a call on TopMate with respect to career guidance, right? No problem. Shakti Mishra, how can I give the interview with respect to automation? So I shared the link. Let me share that again with respect to mock interview, right? Yeah, proxy is dangerous. Mamsi is asking proxy. So proxy is dangerous. Mamsi, don't go for proxy because in the proxy you have to um, this what happens is you have to turn on the video. Right now you are able to see me, so the person who is interviewing the proxy candidate, he will be able to see, and then when you will onboard them, then it will be an issue, right? Oh, okay, so there's a power cut issue. Right, so uh, there is a power cut, right? So I hope I'm visible and the voice is also coming. Yeah, hi Derungula. Hi Shishadri. Hi, yes, Sanjay. Thank you so much for confirming. Right, there is heavy rainfall at in my area, and that's why these kind of things are there. Prasanna is telling I have 2 years of experience in manual testing, and I have learned Selenium in Udemy. Do companies hire me as I don't have automation? So you'll have to showcase some real-time experience, some hands-on experience. You'll have to showcase in your CV, right? So that is a bit difficult, right? If you're just completing the course, it won't assist you. You have to add those things in your CV. Mrunal is telling I have booked your slot for September. Can we connect today? Yeah, sure, Mrunal. We can connect. So, Mrunal, I'll try my best if we can connect. As of now, it is Sunday. How about tomorrow, Mrunal? Tomorrow, is it fine? And if you can share your contact details at this email address, so I'll reach out to you and we'll connect early. Don't worry, right? If not today, we'll definitely connect tomorrow, right? So Pramila, how to mention automation testing project done on dummy website and resume. So those all things I'm covering in my course, Pramila. And let me show you the course as well. If any one of you are looking for any kind of a course in Selenium automation, then this course outline. So we would be covering Selenium with Java from scratch. So you can see all module wise, one by one, introduction to Java, getting started with Java basics, part one, part two, operators in Java, OOPS concepts, variables and control flow, inheritance, polymorphism, exception handling. All these things we covered. And with respect to Selenium, you can see XPath, CSS, then XPath techniques, XPath by class, XPath by text, XPath with contains, XPath with starts with, right? All these things would be covered. Then Selenium basics, Selenium grid, Selenium architecture, classes and methods, browser sessions, by class. So this is an entire course that we are covering with Selenium, with Java, right? So if you are really looking forward to learn everything with respect to scratch, from scratch, Selenium with Java, you can register for the particular course. It would be taken at from 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. right, every day from Monday to Thursday at the night, 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. And let me share with you the course outline as well. Right, so this is the course outline that you can take care. Right. Yeah, yeah, so you can download this course outline, and if any one of you are interested for the registering, then you can send us an email at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com, right? And it would be taken care, right? Yes, Prayash, you are right. You have mentioned, I understand, for profit making they did QA layoff, for cost cutting nearly 300 QA. So yeah, that is not at all justified. It is just for profit making, nothing else, right? Moinuddin is asking, calls are there for freshers 2019. So with respect to 2019, it has been almost 5 years, right? So it would be a bit difficult to get a call right now, right? Yeah, Mehul, it's a paid course, right? And the price is 12,000. So if any one of you are wishing to enroll for this particular course, you can take up that course, right? So this is a course, right? And okay, so if any one of you are looking for the link of the mock interview, then this is the link for the mock interview. If any one of you are looking for the course outline, then let me give you the course outline. Right, so this is the link for the course outline. Yeah, sorry, job assistance will not be there because see, job opportunities and all those things we are already uploading on our channel, right? So assisting you with the job is not a paid thing, right? That is already done on the YouTube channel, right? So Shakti, you can book the slot on the top mate, and accordingly your call would be taken, right? So Sai Charan is telling, are you coming for the tomorrow walk-in? No, it's not. I'm not coming for the walk-in, right? It's a kind of a walk-in that is there in the Hyderabad, right? So I'm just giving an information. Okay. So Shilali is telling, just join IT company as a manual tester. After how much time should I start preparing for automation? So Shilali, I would recommend that you learn automation as soon as possible because see, manual testing jobs are less in the market. And for automation, you have to do manual testing. But these days, the market is looking for both the kind of job of skill set, the manual as well as automation, right? So you have to be prepared for automation, right? So we have been answering so many questions, right? So I would request every one of you to please hit the like button, right? Okay, great. The power is back. Great. Fine. Yeah, please continue hitting on the like button because it's heavily raining, right? And I've been working on this Sunday to give you answers of all these questions, right? So slowly and gradually I will be trying to cover all the questions, right? I'm a bit slow because there are a lot of questions coming up today, right? So please hit the like button so that this video reaches to the maximum people out there, right? Jayant is asking, is it covers mobile automation? Do you cover mobile? So as of now, the batch is only for Selenium with Java, right? Sarvapeli, sir, do companies check for credit history and will they consider if we have bad CIBIL score? While so credit history will not come into the picture. Don't worry. So Mayur is telling how to prepare for after class completion for job. So if your class is getting completed, if your sessions are getting completed, we'll assist you with the interviews, with the mock interviews, with the resume preparation. So you can upload that resume on LinkedIn as well as on Naukri, and you can start getting calls. Vikrant is telling, if a candidate is passed out in 2016 BE background, worked in BPO, can he go for manual plus automation now? Will companies hire? So 2016 is way long, right? It has been almost 9 years. So it would be difficult, right, to get those kind of job opportunities now, right? So I would suggest you can continue with the current work, the current profile work that you are working in, right? And you can apply for those particular things, right? Don't ISTQB is an added advantage or not. So if you are looking for ISTQB certification, then definitely it would assist you in getting the calls, in getting the job opportunities, right? It won't assist you with the calls, I mean the jobs directly, but definitely the quantity of calls would increase, right? That would improve your profile of the job opportunities. So in case of layoffs, see, I would suggest, see, layoffs can be there in any of the company. You don't know the destiny. So what I would suggest is you should always be ready for the interviews. You can give mock interviews. You can apply for these particular digital products. If you will see this one more digital product I'm sharing, which is of SDET level, it is having 40% of discount. So you can avail this product. This product has all the interview questions and answers from big companies like Amazon, Flipkart. You would get to know in 2024 what different question answers you have been asked in these kind of product based companies. So if you are looking for job opportunities in these product based companies, then you can definitely apply for these particular roles. So Chala is telling, I am having 1.5 years of experience in testing with Wipro company. I'm serving notice period. When will the calls start for me? So Chala, as you are in Wipro company, so definitely it's gonna take 3 months of notice period. So 3 months of notice period if you are going to serve, so you would start getting calls once your 45 days or 50 days of notice period is over, because no one will be waiting for 90 days of notice period, right, Chala? So that thing you have to uh, take care, right? So Anil Kumar is telling, I have experience in JMeter but not getting any calls, because Anil, see, with respect to testing, you have two kinds of roles, functional as well as non-functional. With non-functional, the job will be less because they'll expect functional people to do job of non-functional as well. So you try getting into the functional, and within that you can do non-functional testing as well, right? So with 2 years of experience, let me see if I have any job opportunities available. Yeah. So this is one of the company. So there has been a questions in the chat group. Any manual testing jobs for openings for 2 years of experience. So you can apply to this particular. They are hiring for DevOps engineer, AWS, DevOps engineer, Azure 3 plus years, Python developer 5 plus years, QA engineer 2 plus years, .NET Core developer 3 plus years, .NET plus AWS 3 plus years, and this is the email address. So this is the job opportunity where you can apply with 2 plus years of testing experience, right? Shubham is asking, remote jobs are there? Yes, definitely remote jobs are there. But these days, company are asking for a lot of people to come and work from office itself. Akshay is telling, I am having 2.5 years of experience but not getting calls. I'm applying daily. So Akshay, one of the skill set that you have to do, one of the thing that you have to take care is you have to get an ATS friendly resume template, right? So we have an ATS friendly resume template that you can apply, that you can get, and you can get more and more calls with this ATS friendly resume template. So why don't you get this digital product, update your resume, and accordingly update your Naukri profile and start applying from today onwards, right? Yeah. So Akshay, then you have to update the content in that. You have to add some real time projects as well, right? Those things are very important, right? So Sai Charan is asking, any opportunities for testing as a fresher in Hyderabad. So yes, Sai Charan, tomorrow there is a walk-in drive. So why don't you go and attend that walk-in drive? I already showed the image uh, when we started this live session, right? You can apply there. A lot of good job opportunities are there. Apart from that, I would also tell you one more job opportunity with respect to Accenture. So Accenture company is also hiring graduates. So let me show you that detail. So Accenture company is hiring the graduation people who have done graduation. They are looking for someone who has completed BSc, BCA, BBA, BCom, MA, MCom, and then MCM. They are looking for someone who have completed the relevant degree, and there should not be any active backlogs. So they are also hiring freshers. And what would you do? So they are looking for test automation people, creation of test designs, test processes, test cases, and test data, right? Candidates should not have more than 23 months of full-time experience. That is also required, right? So you can apply for Accenture company as well. So job opportunities have started coming, so that's a very good positive sign from the market, right? Okay, what else? So there is a question, what is current job opening for automation testing? So with respect to automation testing, you would get a lot of job opportunities. You don't have to worry about the jobs if you learn automation testing, right? It would assist you for sure. Definitely, it's gonna assist you, because these days people are looking for automation skill set, right? People are looking for someone who knows automation, and you can also get the SDET question answers itself, because those kind of questions will be asked to you, right? So I think we are good with today's live session. It was really good connecting with all of you, and please download this SDET template, because SDET questions answers, because it's available at 40% of discount. You would get these questions especially in the companies. So if you want to make your career as an SDET, then definitely you should apply for more and more jobs, and you should get these kind of digital products, because see, the more and more question answers you'll prepare, the more you will be comfortable in answering as well, right? So I think we are good with today's part. I have received 33 likes so far, so I would request you to please hit on the like button, as we are moving to the end of this live session. It has been sort of 30 to 40 minutes of session that we connected, and in between we saw a lot of things happening, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this thing and connecting with us on a live session. I'm really happy to connect with all of you, and stay tuned for more updates. We'll continue uploading more and more content videos on the channel, so that you get an idea and clarity about it. Right? So that's it, and thank you so much, and wish you all the best for your career ahead.